Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about freelancing and how to get into freelancing in 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting your career as a freelancer, you must know what freelancing is. A freelancer is a self-employed person who is hired to work for different companies or individuals on individual projects or different kinds of projects. Freelancing is a way to monetize your skills right from the comfort of your home. For example, if you are a web developer, you can start your freelancing career by creating websites for your clients, or if you are a video editor, then you can monetize your video editing skills through freelancing. Freelancing market was and will be saturated. If you want to become a successful freelancer, then you need to put some efforts to stand out from the rest of the freelancers. This is how freelancing works. There are a lot of websites on the internet through which you can kickstart your freelancing career, but I will suggest you to start with Fiverr. Fiverr is a huge community of freelancers from all over the world. Fiverr provides transaction security to both its buyers and sellers. The service and payment process is pretty simple and quick. A lot of buyers post their request on Fiverr because it's a huge community of freelancers and it's easy for buyers to connect to freelancers. A lot of buyers post their request on Fiverr explaining the service they need. For example, if a buyer is searching for a video editor to edit his YouTube video, the buyer can simply post a request and the seller or the freelancer can go through his request and send him an offer. It's that simple. So the buyers don't need to search for sellers and the sellers don't need to find their clients. So this is how it works. Even if you don't have any skills to get into freelancing, you can take up professional courses from Fiverr itself. Fiverr have a different website for courses, learnfiverr.com or learnfromfiverr.com. I will leave the link in the description below, which is a subdomain of Fiverr itself, and it will help you to master a skill of your choice. Some courses are paid, some courses are free, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, there are some myths related to freelancing. Freelancing is not as easy as people think. You need to have deep knowledge and understanding of the service that you are providing. You need to have good communication skills that will help you to communicate with your clients and build a strong connection, which can help you to find more potential clients. You need to have patience, and most importantly, don't be too greedy for money, because if you are a new freelancer, you need to offer services in less charge, and that's how you will attract buyers and gain their trust. Fiverr has a great course which will help you to get started as a freelancer. You can access the course for free using the link given in the description below. If you are not in Fiverr, you need to create an account in Fiverr, or you can join Fiverr Premium using the link given in the description below and get $100 balance in your Fiverr account, using which you can get any service under $100 for free of cost. So make sure you check out the link given in the description below. The service you offer as a freelancer in Fiverr is called a gig. So after creating your account, you need to create few gigs, basically the services you want to offer to your clients, and based upon the gigs you will get buyer request, and from the buyer request you can choose your clients and you can send them offers. To access buyer request, go to your seller dashboard, click on more and then click on buyer request. Here you will find request for services from different buyers, and you can also send them offers attaching your gig with the service. So the payment process in Fiverr is also very quick. You can withdraw your balance after 3 days of order delivery. So this was all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.